How to register for a free Fall International STEAM Summit. Head to fall.internationalsteamsummit.com. Then click on Register for Free. Then fill out what you are focused on in learning more about and choose the talks you would like to hear. Don't worry, you can always go back to this step. Then click Next, then Complete Order, and then enter in your email address. Fill out some information about yourself so we can learn more about you. Then click Complete Order. And you are already registered. There are more ways to share and some cool incentives for you sharing about this summit with your friends. Then you can choose on View My Schedule and add the summit to your calendar. And here are the events that you registered for. You can definitely go ahead and add other additional talks and again, add to your calendar. You will have access to everything within the summit, but it's nice to keep it all organized inside of your profile. Ready to register? Comment with the word summit and we'll send you the link.